Are there any price breaks on quantities when quoting, or what's a good way to look at that?
How we typically look at it is what's your annual usage, and we recommend the amount of quantities to order based off of that annual usage.
We could put in a price or a break of 250 because we are experts in our field and understand that that mold has to be pulled at the maximum of 250 units, and it's PM's schedule at that point.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean we can't put it back into production the next day or the day after that, but if we need, X amount of time, which is usually about, it depends on the mold, so I can't really define that now, but say there's an 8-hour shift that involves a preventative maintenance on the mold. So that's where we go with those quantities, Tim.
But then again, it's also based off of how you like to purchase as well and maintain your inventory. So we're adjustable to the quantity breaks that we can provide, but we will upfront recommend what we think is best for the mold.
What you guys are looking to try and do is really maximize the setup and minimize setup costs as a recommendation to say, hey, we think we can run 400, 410, 411, 5,000 before taking this off to do the PM, as you were mentioning, Stephanie. But a customer may say, hey, if I take 5,000 parts all at once, it's way too much for my inventory. And we kind of work, hey, what ends up being best for the customer? What ends up being best to try and maximize that setup cost?
Yeah, but for price breaks, we're always going to strive to give our customers the best piece price with all those factors included.
Yeah.